Hey guys, it's Joe, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good being back filming, and today's video is going to be a what's in my travel bag. So yes, I am filming this video as I did get myself a new bag and I am travelling, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you guys do, give it a thumbs up so I know. Also comment down below if you've ever travelled on your own before. Like the first time was last year when I was 18. I flew to Switzerland. So do let me know if you guys have flown or travelled on your own before, and let me know if you guys like it. At first I was kind of scared, but it is kind of like quite liberating in a way and feels kind of nice, like doing stuff on your own and being like independent while traveling. So with that being said, let's get into the video. So this is my travel bag, guys. It's quite heavy, like it kind of hurts to hold up, but it's really big as well. So this is my travel bag. It's the Louis Vuitton, I don't really know what I think it's like the 48-hour bag. I think it's size 55 or 60. I can't even remember. It's quite big. I love it so much, and I can't wait to travel with it. It's so good for when I sleep around my friends' houses or I go out on the weekend. I need like a weekend bag or overnight bag. So yeah, this is the new bag. I love it so much. I'm going to show you guys what's in it. I always have certain things that I bring when I travel, just because like I come very prepared. I really do try to travel light, but it is very hard. And then I end up having loads of stuff and I have to rummage for everything, find what I want. So I'm actually happy I've got a bigger bag this time, because before, when I travelled on my own the first time, I had so much stuff in my bag. I just couldn't find anything. It was just stressful. So yeah. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is a jumper. So I always bring a jumper or like another jacket or something, just because on the plane it can get cold, and depending on what temperature it is in the country you live in and to where you're going, it's either hotter or colder, so it's good to, you know, have that. And I can fit it in this bag and it helps like puff it out a bit. So I bring a jumper. This one's from Misguided and it just says Savage. It's like a cool like cigarette box type of thing. Really like this jumper. And then I will also normally bring a hat. It's really good also when you're tired and if you've like just woken up on a like long haul like flight plane, you can just put a hat on and then it kind of just covers your eyes and your face. The next thing I have is a book, and I always bring books on planes, and funnily enough I don't read them because I'll get on the plane, I'll listen to music, I'll faff about, and then I just don't want to read a book. But I bring one just in case. So this is Think Digital First by Warren Knight. I actually used this for my college project and it actually seemed like quite a good book, so I'm excited to read into it and actually, you know, properly give it a read. So the next thing I bring is a portable charger. I actually did have a charging phone case, but I don't know what happened to that, so I actually need to get a new one. I will then obviously also have my charger, the lead and the head. I would never travel without AirPods or earphones, so I obviously need these. I literally don't go anywhere without these. The heaviest thing in here is my laptop. I just bring my laptop and my external hard drive with me, just because you actually can't pack your laptop in your suitcase, so you have to bring it with you, or in case I need to do stuff on my laptop on the plane or whatnot. I always bring this. And then I also have a notepad. I also have a pen, because you actually never know when you need a pen. Obviously I have my passport, no brainer, and then I also have a pair of socks. So this is actually a really good thing that I do. I always wear ankle socks with trainers, and I don't know, some reason I just don't like having my ankles out on the plane. Like I like to have longer socks because I don't know, I'm more comfy like that. I have my sunglasses. I want to get another pair of these because they're my favourite sunglasses. So yeah, these are just the like goldy coppery lenses with the black frames. I also have my reading glasses. If I need to read the gate signs, I can't really see that far in front, so I always bring my reading glasses. These are my Tom Ford ones. Love these, had these for like years. I also have chewing gum and then Vaseline. Always have Vaseline. I love wearing Vaseline. I don't know if you guys notice wearing Vaseline now. The worst thing is having chapped lips. Hand wipes are probably like the second most important thing in here, because it's so dirty on the plane. Like the things that you pull down are so dirty, and you may think I'm a hygiene freak or whatever, but guys, it's like a known thing. Like the air hostesses know that they're the dirtiest things on there. So always bring wipes to wipe that down, because it's just gross not doing that. The last thing in here is my card holder. All my cards, my ID, my driving license, my credit card, my current account. And I also wanted to quickly talk about a really good card to travel with, and it's the Moniz card. It's contactless and you don't get charged using it abroad. You get a free £15 when you get one of these cards. Just use the link down below and sign up. highly recommend it. It's a contactless card, it's free to have, it's free to sign up for, and you get a free £15. I also just want to say this isn't sponsored at all. You can get a free £15, it's just me telling you, helping a friend out. So yeah, that's all I have in my travel bag, guys. I obviously bring my phone as well. But yeah, there's nothing else in the bag. So that is the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up so I know. Let me know if I've missed anything out that like you guys would bring when you're traveling. I would love to know. And also let me know if you guys have traveled on your own before. I feel really good about getting back into posting regularly. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love every single one of you guys. Bye.